Taking a look at today's interest rate markets, let's look at the 10-year note futures today as they are realizing some selling pressure here today. And if you look over the last 5 to 6 trading sessions, we are seeing the 10-year note futures staircasing lower over the last week and a half or so. So looking at today's price action, we're pushing down to the 124 handle, right at the 124 handle currently. And this is the lowest closing range for the 10-year note futures in the last 7 trading sessions. So some selling pressure here as we see the equity markets recovering, not only here in the United States, but from a global perspective as well. And I think that's when you look at some of the factors contributing to why we're seeing this weakness today. Certainly the strength in China the last couple of days, the equity market's having some strong recovery there after some significant selling pressure over the last few months. I think is causing a little bit of a rotation trade here today and putting some pressure on the treasury markets. Couple that with the FDA approval of the Pfizer vaccine. I think that's helping to support the sentiment in the market. So once again, as I mentioned, we are seeing the equity markets here in the U.S. Having a positive day today as well. And so I think this is culminating in some selling pressure in the treasury markets, particularly at the longer end of the curve. And so when you look at the yields on the 10-year note today, we are looking at a yield of 129 basis points. So that's basically up a little over 3 basis points day over day. So again, pushing that yield back up to basically a week and a half high. And the yield curve is shifting today higher as we're seeing selling pressure really from about the 2-year note all the way out to the 30-year bond. We're seeing some selling pressure across the curve, and therefore we're seeing those yields pushing higher and the curve as shifting higher due to the fact that we are seeing some selling pressure here in the back end of the curve today.